Hi everybody, welcome on back to the channel. I'm Kiki. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a half double crochet. So a half double crochet is usually abbreviated HDC in a crochet pattern. So let's get to it. All right, so let's half double crochet. These couple of rows here are all single just so that I had a little base project for you. And then I've got 3 half double crochets up here. So to half double crochet, grab onto your project here. You're going to go around your hook with your yarn. So just a little flip over. So you've got the 2 loops, and then you're going to go through the next hole of your yarn. And then yarn over like normal, pull through. So you're going to have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull through all 3. Just like that. So if you hold it like this, take your hook and go around your working yarn into your project. Hook on, pull through. You've got all 3 loops. Yarn over again and pull through. Alright guys, I really hope you were able to do that half double crochet. Tell me all about how far you've come. Are you doing better with your slip stitches? Are you doing better with your single crochets? Did you actually learn how to do a half double crochet? Tell me all about it in the comments below.